A journalist's mobile phone can now contain the tools they need to work on the road. The MediaCentral Reporter app gives you the control to shoot your own material in the frame rate and aspect ratio you need. You can then use the app to edit your story together using multiple tracks of video and audio. The look of the package can be enhanced with the addition of graphics for lower thirds to caption any interviews or shots. Effects can be applied, including transitions to fade shots in and out, or use picture-in-picture if you want to show multiple angles. Crucial to news, of course, is the ability to blur out faces, and this can be done by applying the pixelation effect and using keyframes to track the image. Use the recording tools to add your voiceover as well, adjusting the audio levels on the tracks if you need to. And once you're satisfied with the finished package, export it out from your phone to a watch folder for ingest to your MediaCentral system back at base. Editing functionality focused on the news workflow. The MediaCentral Reporter app is available now from the Apple App Store and Google Play.